Introducing the Ego 21-inch lawnmower, powered by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers the torque of gas. Customize your cut with ease. Changing the deck height or handle position is as simple as pressing a lever. Featuring an all-new 5.0 amp-hour battery that runs up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Headlights and the whisper-quiet motor let you mow at any hour that's convenient. The fully sized 21-inch mower is weather-resistant and backed by a 5-year warranty. The Ego Power Plus battery is part of the system and can be used on any Ego tool for maximum versatility and value. And when the work is done, Ego's patented handle design folds flat in seconds for easy cleaning and storage. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the industry's top-rated cordless platform of tools. Ego, power beyond belief.
Finally, a powerful alternative to gas mowers. Introducing the Twin Force mower from Greenworks. 40 pounds lighter than the average gas-powered mower, with 2 powerful G-Max 40-volt lithium-ion batteries that keep this mower running for over an hour on a single charge. Twin cutting blades provide a smooth, even cut and superior mulching. The Twin Force mower.
Go with a self-propelled lawnmower from PowerSmart and take on hills with no problem. For better value than the competitors, you'll get rear-wheel drive and more rich features. Choose either the 21-inch cutting width model or the wider 22-inch model to get the job done even faster. And both models are 3-in-1, so you can mulch, side discharge, or bag the grass for a perfect yard. You also get multiple height adjustments, larger wheels, and more powerful easy start engines that leave the competitors behind at similar price points. The strong metal deck houses blades that lift and cut in a smooth motion, so you get a perfect cut in one pass. We believe that more power and features at a better value means you're the smart one. So go with PowerSmart.